Adya.
Which class you are studying?
I am studying LKG.
What is your school name?
My school name is Deepthi English Medium School.
What is our country name?
Our country name is India.
What is our national fruit?
Mango,
National flower?
lotus,
National animal?
tiger,
National bird?
peacock,
National tree?
banyan tree,
National song?
Vande Mataram,
National anthem?
Jan Gana Mana,
National emblem?
Lion Capital,
National river?
Ganga River,
National reptile?
King Cobra,
National aquatic animal?
Dolphin,
National currency?
Rupee,
National flag?
Tiranga,
National game?
Hockey,
National language?
Hindi,
National vegetable?
Pumpkin.
Very good. What is your name?
My name is Kartikeya.
Which class you are studying?
I am studying LKG.
What is your school name?
My school name is Deepthi English Medium School.
What is your state name?
My state name is Andhra Pradesh.
State animal?
Black
State bird?
Parrot,
State fruit?
mango,
State tree?
neem tree,
State flower?
jasmine,
State song?
వాతలు తల్లి,
State emblem?
పూనగడ్డ,
State game?
కబడ్డీ,
State capital?
అమరావతి,
State language?